Hey, what's up YouTube people? Another video, another day in Hong Kong. We're gonna go Mong Kok today. It's 8 o'clock.
Mong Kok and Yamati.
Mong Kok and Yamati Night Market. So we're thinking of going through MTR. So we're just heading towards the MTR station. It's nearly 9 o'clock. Yeah, it's 9 o'clock here. But look at the atmosphere around it. People are still out, lights are everywhere. So, yeah. Oh yeah, normally you use
Oh, like quite from the
we are next to MTR station. 5 minutes walk from the flat to the MTR. You can use your reward cards, no issues. Just scan it and you enter. No need to buy any tickets or anything. Simple and easy. That's what you want. Mong upper? Yathala? Central. So you can go up at the central line. For the MTR now. 2 minutes and MTR will be here. Really reliable service. Really good. Set it up from here all the way to Mong Kok. Should be 20-minute ride. It should be Mong Kok. No traffic, no nothing. Yeah, train coming. Train MTR.
Please stand back from the train doors.
12 minutes and we are at Mong Kok. We set off at 9 o'clock from home. Walk, catch the MTR station, going to the MTR, got to the Mong Kok station. And it's just 25 past, looks like it, yeah. 25 past 9. Not bad. So this is distance. Got it from here. See. चले गए नहीं
根據港鐵附例，喺站內或車站入口擺賣或紅筆，即屬犯法。違者可遭檢控。
So we finally in Mong Kok. Let's see what we can find here. Check the atmosphere out. Nightlife of Hong Kong. Restaurants are busy, people are around. That is nice. Even the halal options here as well. Indian halal restaurant. Pani puri, dal, chawal, fish, pizza.
इधर राइट या लेफ्ट है मार्केट
Ooh, check this out.
आओ भैया
खा के
पानी
आए?
पूरी समोसा चाट मोमो बिरयानी
अभी खा के आए।
सभी
राइट मारिए लेफ्ट
Sir,
लेफ्ट मारिए राइट मारिए
so let's go left.
Oh, you put it here.
Okay. लगे नहीं मामू. So finally at Mong Kok Night Market, exploring some bargains. Found some keychains, some I don't know what you call them. Some wooden fans. Now we're just going through. It's supposed to be shutting at 10, but it's still open. And he's finding some good bargains at this time.
हेलो आप on your own, ये हांगकांग की नाइट लाइफ है मोंगकोक की. यहाँ पर लाइव म्यूजिक चल रहा है. ये पता नहीं क्या बोल रहे हैं लेकिन हम एंजॉय कर रहे हैं.
Guys, we're back at Shamshipur night market. All cheap stuff. $70 phone on here. Can buy anything. You've got phones, cameras, power banks, whatever you need. You decide the price. Right, it's nearly 2 o'clock in the morning. Just ordered Uber. Should be here in a couple of minutes because the bus. Oh, ride is here. One of the cheapest Uber. Okay.
Nothing can ever change the way I feel about you. I promise I will stay.
Finally back home. Hey, दो हो गए. दो हो गए. Back at home.
$150. अगर 50 सी में वो डिवाइड होगी इसी पहले 96 ना वो कितनी हुई जो पर जो पर फायदा ना वाली है ना पर कौन सा
Yeah.
चलनी है